What's up everyone, today we're exposing Rosopl Dentures, a product you've probably seen all over Facebook and TikTok claiming to be a revolutionary dental solution with no dentist visits required. But does it actually work? Or is this a dangerous scam targeting vulnerable people? Let's break it down. So Rosopl markets itself as gel-fit functional dentures with adaptive gel technology that molds into your mouth, requires no adhesive, stays in place all day, supposedly designed by dental professionals. They claim it's FDA approved, made in the USA, and provides a custom fit without visiting a dentist. Sounds amazing, right? Here's the ugly truth. Some major red flags. First and most damning, the customer reviews on Rosopl websites appear to be fake or generated using stock photos. Multiple testimonials are reused across completely unrelated products, which proves they are fabricated to build false trust. Second, Rosopl is not sold by any trusted retailers like Amazon, Walmart, or legitimate medical supply stores. When a revolutionary product is only available through sketchy websites with no established retail price, that's a massive warning sign. Third, the same product is being sold across dozens of newly created websites. This is a classic dropshipping scam behavior. Generic products rebranded with inflated claims and fake medical credentials. Fourth, real victims are reporting scams. On Trustpilot, users describe receiving completely different products than advertised, just thin strips with plastic beads, nothing like the functional dentures shown in the ads. One review stated this is a total scam. All I received was two little thin strips with a bunch of little plastic balls, nothing like what was described, and of course, no response on getting a refund. Even if you'd receive something resembling dentures, using unregulated, untested dental products without professional fitting can cause serious harm. Poorly fitting dentures can damage your gums, cause infections, create jaw problems, and lead to choking hazards. Legitimate dentures require professional dental impressions, proper fitting, and adjustment by licensed dentists. The idea that you can mold your own functional dentures at home by soaking them in water is medically irresponsible and potentially dangerous. Many of these sites claimed FDA approved, but the FDA doesn't approve dentures this way. Dental devices require proper classifications and professional oversight. These claims are either completely false or deliberately misleading. Dental health problems seriously affect quality of life, and many people can't afford proper dental care. Scammers exploit this desperation by offering cheap solutions that either don't work or make the problems worse. It's predatory and cruel. The final verdict: Rosopl dentures are an absolute scam. It's a dropshipping operation selling fake or dangerous products with fabricated reviews and misleading medical claims. Do not buy this product under any circumstances. Your dental health is too important to trust to anonymous websites with no accountability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.